Welcome everybody to the KNIME Video Awards. As you know, every year we search and award the best video tutorials around KNIME Analytics Platform and its use for data science. Also for this year, we did search all video platforms and social media channels, and we found a few pearls that deserved the KNIME Video Award. Curious to know? Then let the drums roll and let's start.
In the category of Best Video Series, and the winner is Data Analytics using KNIME by Dhaval Mehta, also on YouTube. This series contained 139 videos teaching you data analytics and KNIME from installation to training machine learning algorithms, from data access to data transformation operations. It is a really powerful and complete video series to learn more about KNIME. Congratulations, Dhaval Mehta.
In the category Best Long Video, the winner is Python Scripting in KNIME by Sane's Academy of Artificial Intelligence on YouTube. This video shows how to import, compile, and run a Python script from within KNIME Analytics Platform. Congratulations, Sane's Academy.
In the category of Best Video in Non-English Language, and the winner is KS9 by F-Bombab on YouTube. KS9 shows a clear and detailed introduction to KNIME Analytics Platform in Spanish. Congratulations to F-Bombab.
Before concluding, we would like to give an honorable mention to IntelliPath for the best YouTube short video. Short videos are becoming more and more popular, and we hope to see more shorts around KNIME Analytics Platform in the future. And with that, we would like to say goodbye. Again, many congratulations to the 2024 winners of the KNIME Video Award. And see you next year.
Congratulations.